Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you that how to install the Nexus dock on your Windows 11 computer and configuration step by step. First thing first, you have to download Nexus dock, and for some reason I can't share the links in the description box, so you can download it from DeviantArt or other website. So let's dig into the video. First thing first, you have to install this software called Nexus dock. We need to unzip this Nexus dock, right click on it and then click on WinRAR and then click on extract files and then click on OK. And now go to this Nexus folder, and here you can see the Nexus dock. Just double click on it and then click on yes and then click on OK and then click on I accept the agreement and then click on next and then click on next and then click on next and then click on install and click on finish. So dock has been installed. Now we have to use this icon pack. So in dock folder, here you can see the icon packs. Just copy this icon pack and paste into C drive. Now we need to make some changes on Nexus dock. So click on Nexus and then click on position. So in here you can change your dock position. Here you can see it's selected on the top. You can choose bottom and then click on apply. You can choose left, so it will align to the left. Choose whatever alignment you want. Just I'd like to keep it bottom, so I'd like to select on bottom and then click on apply. Okay, so dock has been applied in the bottom, and then click on appearance tab. In here you can change the dock icon size. Here you can see the how large your dock icon should be. In here you need to select the dock icon size, then click on apply. And then here you can see the dock transparency. Just click on it, and if you increase this, the transparency effect will be added in the background. Just click on apply and OK. And here you can see the theme tab. Just select whatever theme you want. Here you can see the lot of themes, so I'd like to this one and then click on apply, and then go to appearance tab again, and then here you can see the how much each icon would be reflected. Make it 0% and then click on apply. And now we need to change the mouse over effect. Just go to effect tab, and here you can see the effect setting. Just click on it and just click on effect settings and make it 70%. Click OK, or decrease to 56%, then click on apply. So here you can see it's applied. Now you can choose whatever mouse over effect you want, and then go to appearance tab again. Here you can see the icon specifying. Just click on here and it will reduce. If you reduce it, it will reduce the icon space. Okay, now how to add custom icons. First you have to remove this icon. Just click on it and then click on remove from dock and then click on yes. Okay, here you can see the every icon has been removed. Now we need to add our custom icons. So to do that, you need to go to taskbar settings and go to taskbar behavior, and here you can see the taskbar alignment is center. Make it left, and then click on start menu and then click on all apps, and you just drag and drop into the dock. Whatever apps you want, just drag and drop into the dock. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to add custom icons. So go to this PC and go to local disk C and go to those icons folder and go to PNG folder, and in here you need to choose the right icon and just drag and drop into the icons. So let me show you. Here you can see the Adobe Photoshop. I'd like to change this icon, so just click this PS icon and drop into Adobe Photoshop. It will automatically change this icon. For the calculator, you can just drag the calculator icon and drop into the calculator. So if you want to add some URL, you can also add some URL. Also just right click on it and click on insert new doc item, and then click on item, and then click on here. You can program to select URL and give it a name like Facebook, and then type here your Facebook address, and then click on OK, and then just drag and drop the Facebook icon into this. In this way you can add your docs. If you want to remove this label, you can just go to settings and then go to appearance, and here you can see that show icon label on mouse over. Just uncheck this and then click on apply, and then click on OK. So now the label has been removed. In this way you can set up a dock on your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video is found helpful. Thanks for watching. For more video like this, please subscribe to my channel and check